Question 4. The pie chart shows information about how Year 10 students travel to a school. For Part A, a student from Year 10 is chosen at random. Mark with a letter the probabilities of each of the following on the scale below. The first one has been done for you. The student walks to school. Now from the pie chart we can see there's 90 degrees angle is shown there for walking. So walking is 90 degrees out of 360 degrees, which we can simplify in the calculator to 1/4. So we're shown there the student walks to school. A is shown at 1/4 of the way along our number line from 0 to 1. So halfway and 3/4. So B, the student does not walk to school. So if he walks to school, and that's 1/4 of our pie chart, not walking to school is the other 3/4. So B is indicated just here. C, the student travels to school by train. Walk, bus, car or cycle. There's no students walking by train. So against 0 is C, the student travels to school by train. And for Part B, 40 students travel to school by car. So 40 students travel to school by car. How many Year 10 students are there? So we need to use a protractor. We're given information about the number of students who travel by car. So we need to find out how many degrees the car section is on the pie chart. So if we start by moving our protractor around, so 0 is on the start of the car line. Rotate that round. So we're going to start with 0 on the line. And you can see if we measure that round for cars, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 degrees is the angle for the car. So 60 degrees is our angle there. So we write our information next to each other. Now we have 60 degrees is equal to 40 cars. So we need to find out the whole pie chart. We need to know how many Year 10 students there are. So 360 degrees. If we use a calculator, we know that 6 times 60 is equal to 360. So our 40 cars multiplied by 6 means that the whole pie chart is equal to 40, to 240. So our answer is that 240 students. And that was 40 students by car. Okay, so 360 degrees is 240 students. Now for Part C, there are 252 students in Year 11. The same proportion of students walk to school as in Year 10. Work out the number of Year 11 students that walk to school. Well, in Year 10, we knew that 1/4 of the students walked to school, as there was 90-degree angle on the pie chart. So the same proportion of students walk to school as in Year 10. So if there are 252 students in Year 11, 1/4 of 252, which is the same as 1/4 multiplied by 252. So again, we use a calculator, use a fraction button. 1/4 times 252 is equal to 63. So 63 Year 11s walk. Now don't forget the fraction button. 1 over 1/4 is the A, B, C button. So we type in 1 A, B, C, 4, and then times by 252, and that should give us the answer 63.